Have you been working in data science for a while, but want to expand your skills? Are you looking to get out of notebooks and implement all those proof of concepts? Maybe you're working with scikit-learn, but don't really feel like you've been able to make the most out of it. Then we have a week filled with learning just for you. For a summer special price, follow our advanced data science track to learn how to maximize scikit-learn and productionize your projects with readable, scalable code that you can easily maintain. This isn't just theory. We really focus on hands-on learning. With 2 interactive sessions, you'll get practical skills that you can apply immediately. Our approach is simple: learn by doing. Through real-world exercises and interactive labs, you'll move from notebooks to packages, gaining confidence in advanced Python features. Here's what we've got planned. We kick off with 2 days of advanced data science with Python, packed with best practices, models, codes, algorithm, and a framework to improve your project. You'll rapidly advance your skills by immersing yourselves in 2 days of nothing but data science, machine learning, and Python. And then, once those projects are the best that they can be, you'll spend the last 3 days with us, moving them out of notebooks and into packages. So if you're ready for the next step, to fine-tune those data science skills and productionize your machine learning projects, now is the time. Secure your spot today, and we'll see you at the Data Summer School.